Yeah. So in last lecture, we discussed about the hormones, its basic introduction and its function, basic functions. Okay. So today we are discussing endocrine systems. Okay. So if you see the endocrine system, so it has a different uh, parts. You see the hypothalamus, a pituitary gland, pineal glands, uh, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas. Okay, so uh, for example, the peptide hormones, it is called adrenocorticotropic hormones. It is a growth hormone. So ACTH is secreted by anterior pituitary glands and acts on the adrenal cortex to regulate the secretion. So as I told, in endocrine system, hormones secrete in one place and it acts on another place. So it travel a long distance in compare to your paracrine and autocrine systems. Okay. Now you see the classification of hormones, how we will categorize the hormone in a different class. Okay. So based on the biochemical nature of the hormones, hormones has been classified in a three different categories. One is the peptide hormones, steroid hormones, monoamines. Okay. So peptide hormones is a class of peptide uh, which have an endocrine function and is secreted in a blood stream. Okay. Peptide hormones is synthesized in a cell from amino acids. Okay. And it has a various significant which is secreted from the pituitary gland. So example already I have given adrenocorticotropic hormones. So it is also called the growth hormones. Okay. And these hormones acts on the bone, muscle and the liver. Now if you see the mechanism of the peptide hormones, how it act, what is the mechanism of action, the acting the peptide hormones and doing the function. So peptide hormones cannot across the plasma membrane of the cell. If you see the plasma membrane of the cell, so peptide hormones, it cannot pass directly through the plasma membrane. So for this purpose, peptide hormones need some mediator. So here receptors act as a mediators which helps in enter into the cell. Uh, so when it contacted on the receptors, so it activate receptors activate the second messengers. Second messengers, then it transmit to the third messengers, and then hormones release, and then it do the function. Okay, so hormones also acts uh, uh, on the molecular levels. So once it activate the DNA, so then it helps in the gene expression. Okay, so how it enters in a nucleus through the second messengers or and other messengers. Okay. The steroid hormones, it synthesized inside the body from the cholesterol or eicosanoids. So it is derived from the cholesterol or eicosanoids. It is a lipid soluble. So example of steroid hormones are the testosterone, cortisol. Okay, so the gonads and the adrenal cortex are the primary source of steroid hormones. So examples of the steroid hormones: eicosanoids, prostaglandins. Okay, so how it enters in a cell for do their functions. Okay, so since steroid hormone is a lipid soluble, so it can diffuse through the plasma membrane very easily. Then inside the plasma membrane, it binds to the steroid receptors, and then it enters to the nucleus, and uh, then it do the function and influence the gene expression. So this is the mechanism of steroid hormones. Okay. Next, the monoamines. So monoamines are derived from the aromatic amino acids. What are the aromatic amino acids? It's a tyrosine, tryptophan, phenylalanine. So the action of aromatic amino acids through decarboxylase enzyme. So these aromatic amino acids uh, act by the help of the decarboxylase enzyme. The example of monoamines is epinephrine. This is also called adrenaline, norepinephrine, noradrenaline. Both are the same. So what is the function of the norepinephrine? If you remember, it increase the cardiac output and raise glucose level in the blood. Norepinephrine, norepinephrine is to mobilize the brain and body for a action. So norepinephrine level of release become lowest during the sleep time, and it rises during the wakefulness and goes much at higher level during situation. Shall I restart? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, hello,
Yes,
hello.
sir.
Yeah, can you hear me? Shall I continue?
Hi, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Good morning,
yeah. So,
sir.
hello, hello. Can I continue? Can I continue? Hello, 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 hello. I'm not hearing from your side.
Only 10
सॉरी, हम
minutes
मजाक
है।
कर रहे थे। अगर तुम दोनों को बुरा लगा हो तो सॉरी।
हेलो सर, लाइन पे है, थोड़ा आराम से।
विजय सर, आप सुनाई पड़ रहा है क्या?
Yeah, now I can hear to all.
जी जी जी,
Yeah,
थैंक यू सर।
shall I continue?
यस सर, यस,
Yes,
ओनली 10
sir,
मिनट
yes.
लेफ्ट।
Okay, so this I will finish this session in 10 minutes, right? Okay. Oh, you cannot minimize
लेट्स
Zoom when you
कंटिन्यू
are
सर।
recording this meeting. Okay. 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 So what happened?
नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है और ऊपर से आप रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहे हैं, दैट्स व्हाई हो सकता है आप डिस्कनेक्ट हो जा रहे हो।
Okay.
तो
But
अगर
recording
बोलेंगे
is,
तो मैं रिकॉर्ड कर लेता हूँ।
is it possible?
यस सर, आई कैन डू।
Okay, if you can do, okay, let us go.
तो आपको परमिशन देना पड़ेगा या मुझे आप होस्ट बना दीजिए। वापस से मुझे आप होस्ट बना दीजिए।
जी, आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं क्या? तितकी जी,
तो-
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
वेट।
Yeah. So yeah. Can you hear me? Hello.
यस सर,
Yeah.
यस
यस
सर।
सर।
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'll finish within a 10 minutes. Okay, this session. Now you saw the function of the norepinephrine and epinephrine. Now you see the mechanism of action of this hormone. So here you have epinephrine. Can you see? Can you see the slide? Hello.
नो सर, नॉट राइट नाउ।
It is disconnected again. I hope.
मेरे ख्याल से सर मैं इस मीटिंग को एंड करता हूं और दोबारा से मीटिंग शुरू करता हूं। सेकंड
Okay.
सेशन,
Okay.
टाइम भी ओवर हो गया।
रहेगा।
Okay.
सब लोग रेडी रहिएगा। आई एम अगेन कनेक्टिंग। सर आपके एंड से ही एंड होगा।
Okay.
आप मीटिंग को एंड कर दे।